Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. Back in January, I went to Brazil, and one of the things that I saw on the menu was an avocado milkshake. Now, I've never made one of these or even had it when I was in Brazil, but I figured I'd give it a try when I got home. Now, in today's episode, that's what we're going to be making. But before we get started, I want some of your feedback on what I should be featuring on this channel. Do you want me to feature more travel and food experiences? Or would you like me to even try doing live videos? Because I've had some feedback where people ask me detailed questions that might be overlooked in the editing of the video, and I thought maybe doing a live broadcast every now and then would be helpful. So if you like those ideas, let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not already a subscriber, before we get into it, you might as well subscribe now. Now, to make this recipe is pretty simple because it doesn't feature that many ingredients. What we have here is 3 teaspoons of brown sugar, some vanilla, a cup of ice, 1 ripe Haas avocado, and a cup of whole milk. Now, to get started, what I'm going to do is split this avocado in half and get out the flesh. So I'm going to drop half the Haas avocado in there. We're going to do the same with the other half. Now, you want to make sure that avocado is nice and ripe so that it's soft and blends well. Next in, I'm going to drop the cup of milk, cup of ice, the sugar, and just a dash of the vanilla extract. You don't want to put too much. Vanilla extract is pretty strong, so I'm going to put in just a tiny bit for some flavor. With all the ingredients into the blender, I'm going to blend it on high speed for about a minute, just so I can emulsify everything. Okay, now that we have this blended for a minute, it's time to pour and serve. And there you have it, a very simple breakfast milkshake. Now, it's going to be very nutritious because it has protein in the milk, sugar for glucose that's going to give you some energy right in the morning, healthy fats in the avocado, and fiber also found in the avocado. This is a complete meal, and I'm going to give it a taste to let you know exactly what you can expect. Now, that's pretty good. The best way I can describe it, it has like a texture of almost like a smooth yogurt, and the flavor is not too loud. It's not going to be overwhelming on the vanilla side. It isn't even that sweet. If you want to sweeten it up a bit, which I might do the next time, just add maybe 1 more teaspoon or 2 more teaspoons of sugar, and I think that'll also help bring out the flavor a bit. The avocado is very mild, very smooth. You don't really get an overwhelming taste. It doesn't taste green. It tastes more like almost like a green tea milkshake, if I could kind of compare it to something. Now, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you have, don't forget to like, leave your comments in the comment section below, and thank you for joining me at